Well, this is Biggs Outdoor Extreme. In this video, we're going to be working on a ATC 110 three-wheeler. As you can see, I already got started. I already unlatched the back fenders, which is a simple latch right here. And then I took the front tire off, and then the front plastics, because we are going to be replacing the head, because the spark plug hole has been stripped out. We tried putting a helicoil in it, it blew that back out, so it's time to just place the head. The only problem is this is a CDI head, and the other one's for points. So I'm going to have to figure out how to make that work, but we'll get it. So you're going to want to make sure taking the front fender off and tire makes it a ton easier. But at the bottom of the valve cover, there will be two nuts like this. They're enclosed. With them will be copper washers. I don't know if you can see that, but that one's copper compared to the other one. Actually, right here's a better one. It's copper. So you're going to want to make sure them copper washers stay with the bottom. Then at the top are just two normal nuts and two normal washers. So you undo them. You do this top one, that bottom one. This top one, that bottom one. So once you do that, you have to get a mallet like this, or a rubber mallet. You don't want to use a metal hammer because that you can mar up your cover. So then you're going to want to pound it off, which I already tried. Mine's pretty stuck. So I'll get back to you once I get it off. You can see here, I've actually done a few more steps than just taking the valve cover off. I've taken the CDI cover off. I've taken this plate that goes behind it off. And then whatever this thing is that sits inside. I'm not sure. Keep in mind, I'm only 12 years old. So now you can see the cam and the rockers. Now take your, I don't know what size this is, 10mm. Put it on your two bolts that have your sprocket on your cam. Then take that out. I've been using this as kind of a dish to keep them in. An impact makes it way quicker. So now I need to get that up. So now that I've done that, I'm gonna take the sprocket out of there, and then I'll get back to you. Well, we've now done a lot. All that's off. You can see the rockers in there. You can see how the spark plug hole doesn't have any threads in it. But the reason why we took that one off is because the head wouldn't come off from this part of the head. So it ended up coming off together, which I guess is fine because it smokes them anyway. So we might just replace the rings too, since we're already in here. So right there's all the parts. Right here's the new head. Actually, I'm gonna take this and put it over here. There we go. So yeah, bracket. So that's gonna be all in this video. Pretty soon there's gonna be a video on putting it back together, probably replacing rings. We need to get a gasket set. So yeah. So this is gonna be all for now. So thank you for watching.